In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create icon pack in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a solid icon pack template in the Figma community and open it in your own workspace so you can start designing or customizing right away. First, head over to figma.com in your browser. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. If you're new to Figma, you can create a free account in just a minute. You'll need that to access community files and save them to your drafts. Once you're on the home page or inside the app, look for the community section. Click Community to open Figma's public library of resources. This is where designers publish files you can duplicate and use, everything from UI kits to icon packs. It's a great place to learn best practices and speed up your workflow. Next, use the search bar and type icon pack. You'll see a lot of results. To narrow things down, you can filter by file type, relevancy, and price. Most icon packs you'll want are free, so keep an eye on that filter. As you browse, skim the thumbnails and titles for keywords like outline, filled, duotone, and size indicators like 24px or 16px. Those hints tell you about the style and scale. Also check the like count and the publisher's profile to gauge quality. When you spot a pack that matches your style, click it to open the file's detail page. Here you can preview the icons, read the description, and confirm helpful details, such as whether the icons are vector-based, componentized, and built on a consistent grid. Take a moment to review any usage notes or license terms posted by the creator, especially if you plan to use the icons commercially. Clear naming, consistent stroke weights, and grid alignment are all signs of a well-made set. Now click Open in Figma. If you're prompted, allow it to open in the desktop app or continue in the browser. Figma will duplicate the file into your drafts or your current team space. You'll know it worked when you can select and inspect the icons on the canvas like any other file in your account. At this point, you're ready to work with the icon pack. You can organize it in your projects, reference the grid and stroke settings provided by the template, and prepare it for your own design system. If you plan to reuse the icons across files, consider keeping this as your master source so you stay consistent as you design. That's it. You've navigated to Figma, explored the community, found an icon pack, selected a template, and opened it in your workspace.